to start to start the stream. Hey guys. As we do every time, we do a recap. We go over what the sweep strategy did first, and then we go over what the other strategies did first as well, the timely based trades. London, you guys know our strategy depends on two setups. One, sweep of previous session, high or low. Two, chosh. Three, enter at chosh. Okay, that's it. So basically 2 steps. What did we do here? London swept previous session high. It swept Asia high. Boom. We don't trade Asia. London swept previous session high. Beautiful. We wait for a chosh. We got a chosh right there. We enter the chosh, put stop loss at the highs, and we target 100 ticks. Boom. Done. You're done. Okay. That was step 1. That was the shorts. Now for the longs. Sweep previous session low, chosh, enter at chosh. London swept previous session low. Beautiful. You enter the chosh right here, put stop loss at the lows, session lows, and target 100 ticks. Notice I don't give a shit about negative RR, okay? That's it. Boom, you enter here, almost zero drawdown, and you hit your TP right there, okay? And you're done. Now, we're in new AM session. It swept previous session high, beautiful. Now we're waiting for a chosh, and we enter the chosh. This chosh right here is not valid. Why is it not valid? Because we didn't sweep. These has to go in order, sweep and then chosh. At this chosh, we got a chosh without a sweep. This price did never sweep previous session high. If you're unsure, look at the orange lines, it's above it. If you're still unsure, you can look at the red dot right there, blue dot right there. This is the moment we swept. So now we're waiting for a chosh. So all this down, dump, and these pumps, we're not participating in it. These are just gamblers trying to short when it's dumping and long when it's pumping, and it's just probably gonna damage them both. Okay, so now this is the setup we can have potentially for the next for the New York AM session. Overall, I am bullish on the day, and we never trade with buyers. So even if we're bullish, we take the short. Even if we're bearish, we still take the longs. That's the bit about our strategy. But yeah, that's about it for now. And you can go ahead every single day, backtest whenever you want. We automated this trade, so if you're with the clubs, if you have a club subscription, you can use our indicator, which automatically takes the trades for you. The bot today took the trades for me. I woke up to profits, thank God, and it's easy. We already automated using trading post. If you're just trading if you just want to trade directly, just Tradingview accounts. But if you want to trade Tradingview accounts as well as Rhythmics, as well as the others, we added CrossTrade. So this will take your trades. Sorry, I phrased this wrong. If you're just using Tradingview or Tradingview, then you can use Traders Post, which is completely inside the indicator for years now. But we added a new feature, thanks to exclusive, which takes the trades on NinjaTrader. So you will get an alert. It's called CrossTrade XT. If you get an alert here, it will take it on your Ninja Traders account automatically. All right. So even though the alert is coming from Tradingview and you're trading on Tradingview, it will send it to NinjaTrader and it will take it there. Now, what's good about this is that they have amazing features like trailing, and they have amazing features like account management per account. So you can have I'll show you in a second. So you can have a TP. You can have a specific TP. So let's say you went in short, and you wanted to get out exactly $200 and just lock and disable every alert so it doesn't take anymore. You can do that. If you want to just risk a specific amount, you can do that. Even though you can set your stop loss and risk management in here. But let's say just for today, you don't want any more than 200. Okay, you don't want. Even though let's say this trade made you 100 points and your TP is 100 points. But today you just want $200 to accumulate an active trading day for like Top Step or MFFU or like ETF, stuff like that. Okay, so that's what I did today. That's a good feature. But the best feature is, and the reason we included this is the fact that prop firms, most of them don't allow automated trading unless you get the acceptance, and they will need some specific stuff for that. So with CrossTrade, they cannot flag you for your trades. So you will take automated trades, they will go into NinjaTrader. It will take, even if your account is Tradingview, it will still take you on NinjaTrader. Even if it's Rhythmic, it will still take you on NinjaTrader, and all while you're on Tradingview. And what it does is, it doesn't get flagged with a different IP. it doesn't get flagged. It's an automated trade. Okay, it will be taken as if you click button yourself, so they will know there's no way of them flagging your account or banning you, and you can run this forever. Okay, so that's the best feature, which is why we included it. And finally, our sweep strategy has new settings. The settings give you about an 89% win rate over a whole year. So you would be, with 1 mini, you would make 50k in a year, but your maximum drawdown is only about 5.5k to 6k, right? Which is insane. Hey brother Pigeon, what's up? So, hey brother. So we went over the sweep strategy. We went over a little bit about the Shisha Traders indicator, and its automation new feature is insane. And finally, I'll show those the automation in a bit. But let's now go to our timely based strategies. So let's delete everything. Let's start with ES, because ES, we have two timely based trades. They're called ORB, opening range breakout, for the 8 a.m. and the 9 from 8 a.m. to 8:15, and from 9:30 to 9:45. Okay, this one's very common. This one's invented by, I don't know who invented it, but about a few people use this, and it's only you guys probably know about it, so that's a good sign. Let's start with the 8 a.m. Now the 8 a.m. ORB, 8 to 8:15 ORB is for ES, and targets are 2 RR only. Okay. Now for the 9:30 to 9:45 ORB is for NQ, and targets max 1.5 RR only. Okay. Now what I want to say is a break and retest entry. Okay. And for the 9:45 one, it's a break out entry. All right, these are very specific. You must adhere to. Okay. All right, let's get started. So ES for the first ORB 8 to 8:15, you throw the indicator on. It will draw the lines for you. This is 8 a.m. The lowest we made here and the highest we made here. So it's plotted green line and red line. This is the first 15 minutes from 8 a.m. This is the high we made, and this is the low we made. All right. What you want to do is, on ES, is wait for a breakout. So this is where we broke out. Now we wait for a retest. Okay. We got the retest right here. Okay. So you go long here. This trade just happened, I think, right now. You put a stop loss, if you can afford it, below any swing low, not swing low, below any low, or the whole thing, and you target 2 RR. Okay, so this is, yeah, like this, and you target 2 RR. We already hit 2 RR, by the way. Look at the trade. You entered here, you put your limit order here, and this was just like 10 minutes ago, I think. I wish we took it. You enter, you put a limit order here, you put your stop loss here, you put your TP at 2 RR, and you're done for the day. Okay, you don't need to check the charts. Okay, this is a limit order. It doesn't require you to be on the charts. Boom, you enter here, boom, next candle you hit your 2 RR, and I think we made more than that as well. 2.5 RR. You're done. Okay, you're done. And it's not just a small RR. We talk about 30 ticks on NQ, sorry, on ES, which is around 12.5 times 30. 12.5 times 10 is 125. It's about 300 or 400 bucks trade. Now, as for ES, boom, done. Okay. Now let's show you. This is the trade for today. It happened now. Great. Now let me show you the ORB for the other one. So what was it? Let's have a look. For the NQ, 9:30 to 9:45 ORB is for NQ and targets max 1.5 RR only. Breakout only. It's a breakout entry. And let me write this down. Stop loss below the breakout candle. Okay, this is it. So let's go ahead on to NQ and see what happened there. This is NQ. This is the same 8 a.m. to 8:15 a.m. ORB. We broke out, we retested here, and then look, you would have had a nice trade, but we don't trade this on NQ. Okay, it works beautifully on NQ, but you might have wicks which are make you move your stop loss so far down that you would probably never get your 2 RR. Oh. So only in ES. On NQ worked beautifully. But let's turn this off. Let's turn this on now. So this is the 930 to 945 opening range breakout. This is the high and this is the low. Okay. Above it we're long, below it we're short. Okay. On the breakout. So here we broke out the high right here. So you enter right here with your stop loss below this candle, the candle that broke it out, and you target 1.5 RR. Okay. Boom, we entered here. We will profit for about 63 ticks, and unfortunately we got stopped out. Okay, that happens. This strategy has about 65% win rate over a period of 90 days, but this trade failed. Okay, no problem. So next trade we wait, any broker again here, you take the same trade again here, stop loss below the low, and again unfortunately this one also hit stop loss. So we've been transparent, but yesterday's and the whole week pretty much all of them hit TPU beautifully. So if you have a losing day, it's fine. This one was a loss. I did not take these because I was in a different trade right here based on our sweep strategy, but these two trades are done. Okay, and here we have another try. So we just broke out again. You can give it a third try, and this is 1.5 RR. Okay, give this a shot again. All right, because remember your stop loss is small. You entered here, your stop loss is 100 ticks, and right here it's only again about 200 ticks. So you probably get back to break even a little bit more. But that was just for today. I'm sorry I didn't have a better example, but it's not. We're not here to show just the good trades. We show you the bad trades as well. Likewise, if it goes below, you would take that short as well. All right. So if you're in this trade right now, you would have entered here with stop loss right here. Okay. So let's say we're in a trade. Of course, we had a better entry right now because we just waited. But essentially, this is your trade. Okay. And you target in this. Okay, now what was I gonna say? Okay, so this is the timely base. So let me show you the day from before. This is the day from before, 9:30 to 9:45 high and low. Here we broke out. Right, we broke out here. We entered put stop loss here, and we target 1.5 RR. Boom, you just made 234 ticks. Today you only lost 100 ticks, or your 1.5 RR was a bit only 100 ticks, but here you just made 234 ticks with zero drawdown. Entered here, boom, done. What about the 8 a.m. to 8:15? We do down ES. Let me just show you one more example about that, just in case you didn't like it, didn't understand. Here, this is the 8 a.m. to 8:15. This is the high, this is the low. We broke out here. We wait for a retest. Always put your entry one tick above the level. I always say this in all the streams. One tick above. You enter there, zero drawdown, and your stop loss below the nearest swing low, and not swing low. Doesn't have to be swing low. Just a low. Okay, any low. If there's a low here, I would take it. I'm not looking for swing lows. Okay, but this is the only one, and boom, you target 2 RR. That's it. Zero entry, boom, beautiful. This is heavy ES and you're getting 60 ticks, 15 points with just 2 RR. You of course can target much more, but it's as a standard, if you do this, you'll be consistently profitable over the whole week or the month. So you might have a losing day like today. Well, we had a losing day on the 9.5 ORB, but overall, if you check back this, you would see that almost out of 10 trades consecutively, you would have probably won 8 of them. So this small loss is not a problem. But anyway, we're in this trade anyway, right now. Where is it? We're in this trade right now, so maybe at least we can get some profits back, right? Alright. Does that make sense, guys? Everybody understood the following? Buy share in a few seconds. You can be in this trade right now and give it a shot, because it rarely does it 3 times, but it's just because the session high is here, and this is current yearly high as well, which we tapped. So the market is likely it already moved to it and rejected from here. So when you're trading, you want to be targeting those. So when you get a breakout, where is the breakout? When you get the breakout and you have an important level like these, you should be targeting those. All right, so you entered here. You might expect the market to reverse here, even though it's not 1.5 RR. This strategy requires 1.5 RR to be profitable. If you do anything below 1.5 RR for this ORB, you would not be profitable. Okay, you would have more wins. Yes, you would have more wins, but you will not be profitable. Okay? Over a whole month, you will be negative. So, I hope that made everything clear. What was I gonna say as well? Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, we took one more trade earlier here, but I cannot go over how I did that because that requires my lines, which you guys don't have. What else can I say? What else can I say? Yeah, any questions? If no questions, then let's go over how to automate the sweep strategy. So you go in here, you set your settings whatever you want, you're comfortable with. You want one trade, I'm not going to go over the settings. You set whatever you want, and then here you enter the key from CrossTrade, which they will give you. When you go on CrossTrade.com, I cannot go here. Let's say go on CrossTrade. You go to dashboard, and then they will give you a key on the dashboard, which you enter here. It will start something like this, and your accounts. If you want to copy more than one account, you can put SIM 101. You can put like ETF account 1, ETF account 2, MFFU account 2. I don't know. Top Step account 3. You put the name of the account. So, for example, Top Step will have like a Elite Trader Funding will have like an account name with like Elite One Step ETF 001111115555. You put that name there with a comma, okay? If you want to copy more than one account, so right now we're copying 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts, right? And you turn this on, put it enable, then you click OK. That's it. Now you click this, you click Add Alert, and on the alert, you choose alert function only. You leave everything the same. You can give this a name. For example, copying for funded accounts, MFFU, ETF, Top Step, etc. Then you go to notifications, and in notifications you must put the webhook link. So just where you found the key, where we put here, just below it says webhook key. Those who are familiar with it will do it, know what I'm talking about. You just copy that webhook key as well, and I'm not going to put it here because it's going to show my webhook key, but it's going to say when you click notifications, it would say webhook. In there, just copy and paste the webhook you got from your CrossTrade.io site, okay? And then you click create, and you're done, okay? Now, when you get an alert, when you get a sweep chosh, it will automatically take the trade for you onto Ninja, all right? And to set up on Ninja is very simple. Let me show you guys how to set up on Ninja. I'll probably make a better video, but this is pretty much it. It requires nothing. I'm loading Ninja right now. Let me enter my password if I can remember it. Forget the usernames. I have random usernames to hide the identity online. Alright, so it just logged us into Ninja. Hey Kitty love. T baby, what's up? Alright, so here you would have your connections, whatever account you're connected to. Let's say this is for my accounts. I can show it, but it will show my names. Let me just do this. I don't mind, let's just go ahead. There you go, okay? these are my accounts, all my accounts. You can see I have from both. And then you click on new, and they have a better video on their site to teach you how to add the add-on of Ninja, of CrossTrade. But basically I already have it installed. What you want to do to install it is you click tools, you click import, you click Ninja Script add-on, okay? You download their add-on from their site. You have a 1 week free trial, by the way. If you want to pay for it, you can use 10% off. It's amazing. You click Ninja Script add-on, and basically you import it from your downloads folder, and then you would see it right here, CrossTrade, right there. You open CrossTrade, you click, it's going to show you disconnect. Give it a second, disconnected. Now when you click connect, you click login, and boom, now you're saying linking upstream, secure connection established, waiting for signals, done. You're ready. Now whenever you get a sweep strategy trade like this one and this one, it would automatically be taken on to whatever accounts you set on Ninja, alright? It's insane. Now if you want to use the Traders Post, then you can do that, but I don't recommend them because people are getting banned. Not everyone, but like not Top Step and stuff, but like some firms will probably check, because when you use Traders Post, it's a API that's being used, and that API Tradingview will flag it as an automated trade, and that's how they can flag your account. So they will see your trades, it will say trade entry stop loss blah blah blah, entry type manual or automated, right? But on here it is as if you're clicking buttons. So when you get this automatic trade, it will put you in a trade and it will click the buttons for you automatically, and there's no a flag that can be no, it's caught, not caught, that can be flagged. There's not a flag that can be flagged. All right, pretty much that is it, and you're done. You don't need to set up anything, you don't need to do anything. I always set whatever you use, our sweep strategy, you choose the settings, and then boom. So you can see, for example, if I go do back testing, whole year back testing, let's have a look at our profit margins. All right, so over a whole year, we have 89% win rate, 441 trades. We're not saying 90% win rate over 10 trades. 47K, one contract, one mini, maximum draw of 6K. Beautiful curve. And you just leave it running. That's it. Okay. That's it. The new feature. The new features of CrossTrade is that you can, like I said, you can set your take profit and stop loss, and you can change it intraday. For example, today I only want to get an active trading day, like I did here for these accounts, $200, and then just call it a day. But I want my other accounts, my funded, not funded, my evals to continue trading and make more, right? Then on CrossTrade, I'm gonna stop the stream, but it's gonna still show, right? 1 second. Account management. I can go straight there. Please do not show my codes. Alright, beautiful. So here you can see account management. So here you can go ahead and add your accounts. You click add account, and it will list any account you have on Ninja, any account, prop firm account you have, and then you can go here. It will show up here. You can click edit. You want to say how much you want to make for today. 200, you put 200. How much you want to lose for today? 300, you want to put 300. Include commissions, include unrealized P&L. Position management, do you want to flatten that account or do nothing? I want it flat. I want it to flat all the positions, include my limit orders and TP and stop loss. And what to do? What should it do with that alert management? Do you want it to just close the trade? Do you want it to do nothing, or do you want to disable alerts further? So let's say you're up 1K on the day, and but you're gonna get a setup. Let's say you got a new setup, but you don't want to take that setup anymore, right? While you're sleeping, because you're up already 1K on the day, and you're more than content. So you disable all alerts, and for the rest of the day, it will not take any setup, even if you get the alert, and even if that trade works out, and if that trade fails, doesn't matter. You're already up, and you're done for the day, right? You can see it live in here. I manually closed this one because I wanted $200. They gave me $270. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You click monitor to turn it off, turn it on. And you can do this for different accounts. So let's say you have 10 different accounts. You want 200 for one, 500 for one, 1K for one, max TP for the other, for like to pass an account for like 6K for 100K. You click add account, and you will take the same trade for this account and the other account. This one will make 200, like $600 maximum as we said it, and the other one will make 1K, for example. Or the other one, or the third account would have just not a single thing on it, maybe just 6K, and you just want to pass and then end the trades at 6K. It's insane. Okay, so register. You have 1 week trial to trade to use it. It's automated, and it's just beautiful. Wait, you guys can't hear me? Guys, can you guys hear me? I hope you can. If not, then I'm recording this video anyway. Okay? So that's pretty much it. All you have to do is go to CrossTrade, sign up, use the free trial, get your code from the dashboard. You're gonna get 2 things: key and webhook URL. You copy them, you go to our sweep strategy indicator, you add your key into here, and you add the webhook URL into notifications, and then you're gonna see a webhook. You enter it there. Okay? I'm not showing because I have my webhook there. I don't want you guys to see it, and that's it. On the Ninja Traders side, you go in here, you click Tools, Import, and Ninja Script add-on, which you're gonna download again from your dashboard. On dashboard, you're gonna see download, key, and webhook URL. You download them, and then on Ninja, you click Tools, Import, add a Ninja Script add-on, and then you add it in. Then once done, you just click, you go to New, and you see CrossTrade at the bottom. You click CrossTrade, and it will ask you to sign in. Once you sign in, you will say something like this: signals received, waiting for signals, and you're done. Okay, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's insane. I'm planning to run these accounts for a whole year. Okay, with these things. All right. Thank you for watching. See you.